Kennel cough is a contagious ailment affecting dogs of all breeds and ages. While mild cases may resolve on their own, severe cases may require antibiotics and additional procedures. Want to learn more about kennel cough in dogs and how you can prevent it? Check out our blog as it discusses symptoms and causes of kennel cough diagnosis and treatments, ways to prevent it, and the best ways to make the treatment affordable. Further, find out how Denefits helps veterinary practices meet different budgetary requirements.